YouTube, today I'm finna give y'all my 540 angles. Okay, this is what y'all been waiting for. This is what y'all keep asking me for. How do you brush your hair? Can we see the angles? Can we see the angles around the crown? I'm finna get into all the angles. I'm side by side. I'm gonna break it down. Let me get some coffee real quick. Okay, it's Sunday morning. I don't know when this video will drop, but I'm making it Sunday morning. Let me get some coffee in my system. Yes, it's Folgers, okay? Folgers is not sponsoring the video, but we are drinking Folgers today. But anyway, let me fix my coffee up and get everything together. We're gonna get into this video. We back. Okay, we gonna get into this brush session. I'm not gonna do too many tricks and edits on this video. It's gonna be straight brush session. Today we brushing with the Torino Pro 99 from brushking.org. Okay, you see the lavishness of the brush. And anyway, we're gonna get into this brush session real quick. We're gonna get an unrag going. We're gonna do a few strokes on the left side, right side, top, crown work, back waves matter. We're gonna do all that in this session, so stay tuned. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. You see I'm sweating. I don't want to overcurl. I'm going to go with a harder brush. Use a little bit of pomade, C6 pomade for a little bit of hold, because it's getting kind of hot. You feel me? Just a little bit, all right? Just a little bit. Since it's hot, I'm gonna wet this do-rag. Cold wet do-rag method in the summertime. Cold wet do-rag. Put a little cold water on your do-rag, rag up after the session. It'll last a little bit longer. that's it, man. That's how I brush my hair. Left side, right side, top, crown, back waves. If it get a little hot and you ain't got no fan, which I couldn't turn the fan on because y'all wouldn't be able to hear me talk, a little bit of pomade, just a little bit of pomade, you know what I'm saying? Cold, wet, do-rag method afterwards to try to lock it down and stop the frizz before it gets out of hand. All right, you can do this throughout your day too. If you're working outside and your hair starts to frizz up, run your do-rag under some cold water, throw it on, and it'll save the progress for a little while. Eventually, that heat in the summertime, that heat is undefeated. There's nothing you can do about the frizz in the summertime unless you're going to stay ragged up all day long. And most people can't do that with their jobs or school. So the trick to beating the heat is soft brushing, training your hair to lay down at any length, cold, wet, do-rag method, a little bit of pomade to give you some hold too. You don't want too much pomade because when you sweat, that pomade is going to come down and get in your forehead, and then you may have blemishes and breakouts and all that type of stuff. So, hey, at the end of the day, the heat is undefeated. There's only so much you can do. But I appreciate y'all watching my light brush session. If you're new to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.